What is up guys? Welcome to Inside the Mix with me, Yeldo. Today, i-breakdown ko kung paano ko ba minix etong track ng BLCKTRG Gang na PITI, produced by Glizzy. Some of the techniques I used dito sa video is ginagamit ko pa rin till now. Some of it naman, iniba ko na, pero same pa rin ang output. So before anything else, gusto ko lang i-clarify na yung original mix was in 2-track. So I did not get yung multi-track ng beat, pero ito, this is very special kasi I managed to get the stems from the beat by using FL's extractor. And I did not record all of the vocals, sinend lang nila to sa akin. I believe they tracked this using Audio-Technica 2035 na naka-plug in sa M-Audio na interface. And also, all the vocals are edited na and printed na, meaning lahat ng vocals ay pinrocess ko na sa Isotope RX para i-clean, tas printed out na may kasamang autotune, Acousticas Gold 5, Kazrog, and UAD LA2A.
Maunta nga, kay nagtama ka, wanilihok, kay naglupad na, bagkapuwa, perting pikuta, sayang mata, halapit siya, maunta nga, tama, pitsi, aba maunta nga, tama, pitsi, aba maunta nga, tama, pitsi, aba maunta nga, tama, pitsi, aba.
Si Babi, bo, basin mabuak ka. Di ni ma-zero, loaded akong pipa. Di ka sa gang, katol ni kusog musipa. Hallucinate imong abuton sa amo ang pampagana.
Sober, gabi ka sober, bakit buak yung stone na pass and roll, sila na toad na mga yawa, na bata, na lata, ay taba, maunta nga.
So into the beat section, I combined Jason's technique to my own style.
Tanga, kay nagtama.
The first thing I did sa drums is nilagyan ko ng multiband compressor para i-tame yung extra low end. Then yung drum bus dito is full of NLS channel. And after that, merong our bass boosting 80 Hz and above. Next is Shadow Hills. The key lang dito is just aim lang up to -1. Di na siya lalagpas dyan. So, eto yung technique that won't fail you in gain staging the overall drums and nakaset yung transformer into steel. Kasi I want the kick to be low due to the fact na nasa 50 Hz etong fundamental frequency ng steel mode. Next is Black Box. I lowered the output kasi obviously we are adding harmonics in this plugin by boosting the saturation and the air. And nasa 50 to 60% lang yung mix dito. Okay, so next is Piff. Nag-a-add naman ito ng konting transient sa drums. And as you can see, it's only just 2%. And then, all drums are routed, syempre dito sa all drums, which is merong standard clip. Saturator is in 10% and Soft Clip Pro yung mode dito. Sa bass naman is the same process from the drums. Ang kinaibahan lang dito is I added magma to give it extra color. And then same shadow hills, but I am only using the harmonics dito. And as you can see, di man lang gumagalaw yung needle. I'm just adding this for harmonics. Okay, so let's move na sa vocal section, which is yung favorite siguro ng lahat.
Maunta nga, kay nagtama ka, awan nilihok, kay naglupad na pagkapuwa. Maunta nga.
Sa chain ng intro ni The Vera dito is I have True Iron. So this adds a little bit of saturation similar doon sa lo-fi. Next is SSL EQ, boosting a little bit sa highs, tas cut konti sa may lows. Standard procedure lang. Next naman is CLA76.
Maunta nga.
As you can see, very subtle lang yung gain reduction dito. Kasi dito ko na i-boost using this ultramarine.
Maunta nga, kay nagtama ka, awan nilihok.
Di rin gumagalaw yung needle kasi I'm just boosting only the gain.
Ikuta sayang.
Next is doubler, adding width sa vocals. EQP1A, I'm boosting 6 dB sa my 12K to add extra presence sa vocals.
Maunta nga, kay nagtama ka, awan nilihok, kay naglupad na pag...
And then Pro Q, low cut, and boost konti sa my mids. Ito naman is dopamine. This is my sauce to make the vocal super bright. Reverb naman is just from Valhalla, naka-smooth plate, tas quarter note yung delay.
Maunta nga, kay nagtama ka, awan nilihok, kay naglupad na pagkapuwa. Perting pikuta.
Sa doubles intro naman, same vocal chain lang from the main. I just removed the ultramarine and true iron. What I did lang dito is I just put lil tube, tas binoost ko up to 8. And then doubler na naka-off yung direct.
Maunta nga, kay nagtama ka, liyo.
And meron itong background vocals na super duper wet.
Maunta nga, kay nagtama ka, awan nilihok, kay naglupad na pagkapuwa. Perting pikuta sayang mata.
Naka-chorus space, tas Hall of the Siren yung preset na ginamit ko dito.
Maunta nga, kay nagtama ka, awan nilihok, kay naglupad na pagkapuwa. Perting pikuta sayang mata. Halapit siya, maunta nga, tama, pitsi, happy.
Okay, moving on sa my hook section.
Maunta nga, tama, pitsi, aba maunta nga, tama,
Yung lead is same lang ng chain from the intro.
maunta nga, tama, pitsi, aba 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 maunta.
Doubles goes to the bus of the doubles intro. Then for the hook adlibs, nag-add lang ako ng delay na naka-ping-pong sa quarter note. For this track naman, ni-widen ko lang to gamit ang doubler. Also for this second doubles by Paolo, naka-wrote ito sa intro doubles bus, pero naka-filter. Let's go to the verse section.
Bobasin mabuak ka, di ni ma-zero, loaded akong pipa.
Same lang rin itong vocal chain ni Paolo sa hook lead. Also dito rin sa mga doubles, same lang din.
Ay sigpabi, bobasin mabuak ka, di ni ma-zero, loaded akong pipa.
Merong saturator and doubler. Ito naman is nilagyan ko ng doubler 2 to make it very wide na naka-turn on yung direct. Same routing lang din dito sa may second doubles. This one goes to the bus of the previous doubles. Etong low voice naman is routed sa main ng verse. I just reduced the volume para sakto lang sa balance ng leads. Same as well dito sa vocals ni Perfy. Kinopya ko lang lahat yung vocal chain ng verse. Also for the doubles, same lang rin.
Hallucinate imong abuton sa amo ang pambaga na
Now for the verse 2, si Davera yung una.
Hoy, migo, andaman na ang flashlight. Punita na dito aan sa kanto ang drop site. Buakay na ta, ipadap.
Same lang rin yung vocal chain dito from the mains. Pati na rin dito sa doubles.
Andaman na ang flashlight.
Naka-route din ito sa doubles ng verse.
Sa ng glass pipe.
And then I added a little bit of siren effect dito. In the original beat na pinasa sa akin is walang ganito. I just decided to add this kasi it makes the drop more powerful.
Daplin sa ng glass pipe. Wipe ko na ya. Ipalabaw na tumpisoin.
Next is Paulo's vocals. Pero I will not explain this one kasi same lang rin naman sila ng chain from the Veras main and from the Veras doubles. Now dito sa part ni Perfy is merong adlibs. I just added Saturn tas doubler 2 to make it wide. And this one, I just added SSL EQ na naka-filter.
K na si Paulo. Bake na ng bake. Sige take, tas na high co. Fake, fuck the fake. Tas si make, going psycho. Wake, baka malate. Kas the plane na St. Elmo.
Okay, so all the vocals ay naka-route dito sa Allvox bus, which is merong Gullfoss. Recover is nasa 16, Tame is 14, Brighten is in -4, and yung boost is 0.6 dB lang. So, finifix neto yung balancing issues ng vocals. Next naman is C4, taming and pulling lang konti sa may low frequencies. Another multiband, just to be safe. Naka-default lang yan lahat. Tas neutron, yung mix dito sa exciter is half lang, classic mode na naka-warm, and 3 lang yung drive. Tas yung compressor dito is nasa -12 yung threshold and naka-vintage mode. Next is UAD LA2A, naka-default lang ito. I am using this only for the volume. And gold clip. This is very nice kasi it helps boost the vocals without sacrificing yung mga transients. And then I have here my vocal sidechain. I am using track spacer. So ang ginagawa nito is dinaduck down niya yung beat if nagpe-play yung vocals.
Bibo, basin mabuak ka. Di ni ma-zero, loaded akong pipa. Di ka sa gang, katol ni kusog mo sipa. Hallucinate imong abuton sa amo ang pambaga na
Going to my mix bus, I have Ruby na naka-high cut sa may 4K, very slight lang.
Bibo, basin mabuak ka. Di ni ma-zero, loaded akong pipa. Di ka sa gang, katol ni kusog mo sipa. Hallucinate.
And curve bender, I am not using this anymore, pero this time I added a little bit sa my mids and highs.
Bibo, basin mabuak ka. Di ni ma-zero, loaded akong pipa. Di ka sa gang, katol ni kusog mo sipa.
And then shadow hills, aiming pa rin ako dito na mag-reach lang siya up to -1 and naka-nickel yung transformer dito.
Bibo, basin mabuak ka. Di ni ka sa gang, katol ni kusog mo sipa. Hallucinate imong abu.
So that is it guys on my mix breakdown of PITI by BLCKTRG Gang. Remember to don't just copy my settings ha. Experiment lang kayo and find your own taste and style sa pagmimix. Alright, so again, thanks for watching guys. See you all again next time. Happy mixing and bye-bye.
Hoy, migo, andaman na ang flashlight. Punita na dito aan sa kanto ang drop site. Buwa kay neta, ipedaplinsa ng glass pipe. Wipe ko na ya, ipelabaw na tumpisoin.